Okay, let's get started. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, how are you today, everyone? Are you fine today?
Yes, Miss, I'm fine.
Alhamdulillah.
No,
Okay,
miss, I'm
no.
feeling,
Why? Why, Resti?
I have a fever.
Fever. Hopefully get well soon ya.
Thank you, miss.
Oke, you're welcome. Skill 26 udah dibahas ya? Atau belum? Dia apa mau ke 27 atau mau ke 26?
Wait, Miss, I will check.
Oke, let's check together. Resti katanya ke Malang ya?
Apa, miss?
Are you from Pemalang?
Yes, miss.
Same with me. Which part of Pemalang do you live?
Taman.
Kecamatannya Taman desanya?
Yes. Desa Jebet.
Deket kita. Misulis Gondang.
Hah? Seriously?
Yes.
My mom is from Gondang.
What is her name? Jangan-jangan tetangganya Misulis.
Oh, my mom's name is Rihun.
Siapa?
Rihun.
Rihun. Nah, mungkin yang tahu almarhumah mamanya Misulis ya. Kalau Misulisnya nggak tahu. Oke. Nah, orang tuanya Misulis sudah di surga, jadi ini nggak tahu kalau tanya ya. Ya mungkin nanti kapan-kapan kalau ada saudara tak tanyakan. Siapa namanya Rihun ya tadi ya?
Yes, miss.
Okay. How about your father? Where is he from?
He's from Jebet.
Oh, Jepang.
Yeah.
Berarti tinggalnya di rumah papa ya.
Yes.
Oke. Kemarin siapa yang ngasih tahu? Oh, Resti Pemalang nih gitu. Oh, pas wisuda di kelas B kan Syada Pemalang. Ya, itu
Yes.
ada lagi loh Miss yang Pemalang siapa? Resti. Oh ya kah gitu. Artinya Pemalang Resti Syada ya. Oke, halaman berapa skill 26? Sampai skill 26 atau 27?
We have discussed skill 26, Miss. So
Okay,
next we
so
move to 27.
yeah, move to the 27. You can open your course book at page 27. Check. 27 at page 262. 262. Yang lain tahu kan ya kalau ini ada kelas online lebih dari satu jadi pakai breakout room. Reski Noviana bukan murid kita ya. Oke, berarti murid yang di sini ini. Let's look for the page 262. Mana ya? Mhm. Form comparative and superlative. Correctly. What is comparative? Compare two things. Ya, kalau superlatif, compare three things. Komparatif itu lebih, superlatif paling. Gampang ya, very easy. Oke. And then yang bisa dikomparisonkan itu only adjektif, tidak bisa noun, adverb, atau yang lainnya. Hanya adjektif ya yang bisa dijadikan komparatif. For example, tall. Tall jadinya taller. Kemarin sudah ada ya PowerPoint-nya. Sudah tak tampilkan. Kalau one syllable, we add er atau r. Kalau r itu kalau belakangnya sudah ada huruf i, for example nice, jadi tinggal ditambah r. Tapi kalau kayak tall gini, ditambah er. But for two syllables, we add more. Tapi ada exception word, walaupun two syllable, tapi pakainya er ya. Kemarin apa? Narrow, crowded, crowded, narrow, simple, terus yang di ending of Y, pretty, funny, happy, itu pakainya IR walaupun dua suku kata ya. Terus selain itu berarti semuanya pakai more, apalagi yang three or more three or more than three syllables, ya, pakainya more. Oke, kalau superlatif itu kalau satu suku kata diikuti the sama est. For example, paling tinggi berarti the tallest. Kalau paling cantik, the most beautiful. Oke, very easy ya. Nah, ini diikuti more followed by adjective. Kalau er short adjective. Oke, jangan lupa dikasih then itu untuk membandingkan. Tapi kalau yang superlatif tidak perlu pakai then. Tapi depannya kasih the most beautiful students, for example. In this class is bla bla bla. Just one. Misal berarti karena the most berarti satu-satunya ya, paling gitu. Oke, masih tetap di baru dua ya, Resti sama dia tidak ada kemunculan lagi. Oke, lanjut ke nomor satu ya, kita bedah ya. Nomor satu kita bedah bareng-bareng. Oksigen, bacanya apa? Oksigen atau oksigen? Bacanya apa?
Oxygen.
Oksigen. Kita cek dulu ya, biar tambah yakin. Ke Oxford. Resti UNES atau Undip?
UNES, Miss.
UNES. Sastra ya?
Yes.
Oke, kalau sastra ada makul idiom nggak? Atau fonetik?
Ada.
Oh, ada. Yang ngampus siapa sekarang di UNES?
Kalau kemarin saya ngajar itu siapa? Mem dulu lupa lagi Almira. Dia
Oke.
dosen linguistik memang.
Baru berarti ya.
Iya,
Dulu,
baru.
dulu Miss Wilis idiomnya itu. Mr. Alim. Udah pensiun sekarang kayaknya.
Kemarin sempat ngajar, Miss.
Oh ya, yang
Iya,
udah
terakhir.
tua banget dong ya.
Iya.
Zamannya Miss Wilis. Iya. Oh, ngajar terakhir ya. Udah berapa sekarang umurnya ya, Res?
Nah,
Lama
kurang
banget.
tahu. Itu tuh sebenarnya bapaknya sudah pensiun, tapi dipanggil lagi
Hmm,
sama UNES karena
iya kayak
butuh katanya.
dosen luar biasa kan, dianggap
Iya.
dosen fonetik, fonetik idiom tuh beliau Pak Alim dulu. Sama Pak Amir biasanya. Tadi Miss Wilis membuka apa? Oksigen ya. Oksigen. Oksigen.
Oxygen,
Oksigen. Bacanya apa ternyata?
oxygen,
Oksigen. Kenapa Miss Uli selalu bilang jangan capek-capek buka Oxford? Karena ini kiblatnya ya, kiblatnya kita untuk belajar bahasa Inggris.
oxygen,
Oksigen. Oke, starting from now on you have to say oxygen, bukan oksigen ya. Oke, let's move to our exercise. Oxygen is abundanter than nitrogen. Jadi penasaran pronunciation-nya nitrogen? Kita tampilkan ya. Nitrogen. Kalau nitrogen, oksigen itu terkait apa nih? Pembahasan tentang apa nih? Science atau apa sih? Kimia, nitrogen, oksigen. Tentang apa, teman-teman? Nitrogen.
Nitrogen,
Oh, ternyata bacanya
nitrogen,
nitrogen, bukan nitrogen ya. Oke, oksigen sama nitrogen. Oke, kita bedah bareng-bareng. Oxygen is abundanter than nitrogen. Why is it incorrect? It should be
We add more maybe.
yes, because abundant it's more than one syllable. How do we know is it more than one syllable? Seperti tadi malam ya Dea, we have to pronounce the word. For example, abundant. How many syllables? Three. So we put more before adjective. Kok ini kursornya Miss Willis ini putar-putar, putar-putar. Kita tulis ya, more. Dan silakan buku kalian diorek-orek. Ban dan tersalah. Oxygen is more abundant than nitrogen. Number 3, Dea.
Yes, Miss.
Mhm.
The lesson you're studying now is the most important lesson that you will have. I think the answer is incorrect, I guess, Miss.
It should be.
Because I still confused about important test. Is it true or not? Like I never hear this.
Yeah. Actually, the
I
adjective here is important. Ya, ini cuma pengecoh aja.
hmm,
Jadi incorrect ya. Incorrect harusnya the most important. The lesson you are studying now is the most important lesson that you will have. Okay, number 4, Resti.
Fashions this year are shorter and more colorful than they were last year. It's correct, Miss?
Correct. Remember before comparison, comparative degree, before adjective, don't forget complete with to be or linking verb. Ya, ini namanya untuk penghubungnya. Nah, ini. Kenapa are? Karena patients pakai plural subject. Oke, number 5 dia.
the professor indicated that Anthony's research paper was more long than the other students' papers. I think the answer is incorrect, Miss.
Incorrect. It should be
It should be longer.
yes, longer. Ya, you have to
Sure.
say longer. Ya, incorrect. Hello Rani, can you open your camera?
Okay, Miss.
Ya, ini hampir sama kayak tadi malam, Rani. Bedanya ada tambahan superlatif. Ya, kalau yang komparatif sudah paham ya, Rani. Ya, Miss Wilis nambahkan superlatif aja. Jadi di skill 27, di halaman 262 itu tentang komparatif dan superlatif, penggunaan pengomparatif dan superlatif dengan benar. Kalau superlatif itu bedanya kalau one syllable, we add er after adjective. When you find more than one syllable or two syllables, tapi kecuali yang exception word tadi malam itu semuanya pakai the most ya. Kalau yang ini sorry bukan tambah ir ya, tambah di depannya di sebelum adjective terus endingnya dikasih est. For example, hmm, hard. Hard kan one syllable berarti kalau paling keras atau paling sulit the hardest gitu. Kalau more than one syllable, for example, handsome berarti the most handsome gitu ya. Rani, ada pertanyaan nggak? Karena baru datang terlambat.
Belum, Miss.
Belum ya? Oke, tak kasih satu, coba nomor 6, Rani. Your turn. Please do number 6.
Alaska is the coldest than all the states in the United States. Correct, Miss.
Ayo, kalau ada kata then here, itu berarti masih komparatif. Kan membandingkan dengan hal yang lain daripada. Karena ini the coldest itu superlatif, berarti sudah satu-satunya atau sudah yang paling dingin, the coldest, berarti it should be of. Alaska is the coldest of all the states. Gitu ya. Ini ada di kotak Rani. Kalau komparatif diikuti then, tapi kalau superlatif tidak ya. Diikutinya maybe, maybe in, of, atau that. Bisa dipahami Rani? Bisa
Oke,
ya?
Miss.
Oke. Mau lanjutin di exercise ini atau next skill? Teman-teman.
Lanjut dulu.
Lanjutin dulu ya. Oke, back to dia number 7.
Yes, the workers on the day shift are more rested than the workers on the night shift. The answer, wait, more rested than the workers. The answer is incorrect, I guess,
Why is it incorrect?
because more than is already true, but I think the adjective is wrong. Rested, rested,
Rested, adjective.
more rested than the workers. It's not adjective, I guess.
Yang mananya? Yang rested ya. Kita cek ya.
Yeah, I'm confused with rested.
Okay, let's check together in the Oxford. By Oxford, kita cek. Rested itu adjective. Nah, adjective. Jadi betul. Ya.
Oh,
Rested, two syllable. Berarti menggunakan more. Berarti the sentence is correct. Ya, dia ya.
correct. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Ya.
It's like verb, miss.
Ya, membingungkan ya. Mirip-mirip tidak seperti ini, tidak seperti adjektif, tapi ternyata ketika dicek adjektif. Nah, itu gunanya sering apa namanya? Mengerjakan. Kenapa Mas Budi selalu bilang sisanya kerjakan sendiri karena biar tahu, biar kalian buka Oxford, buka polanya lagi, buka rumusnya lagi. Nanti pinternya buat kalian sendiri ya, yang nambah pintar. Oke, ini korek ya. Terus number 8, Resti.
She was more happier this morning than she had been yesterday. It's incorrect.
It
It
should
should
be.
be she was happier.
Iya, ini double komparatif ya. Karena happy, walau Miss happy kan dua syllable, kok nggak pakai more happy? Iya, kemarin kan ada exception word, the ending of y itu pakainya er, y-nya dirubah jadi i dulu, terus ditambah er gitu. Oke, last one, Rani please.
The quarterback on this year's football team is more versatile than the quarterback on last year's team.
Mhm. What is your answer?
Yeah, correct, Miss.
Iya, correct. Tanggung satu lagi ya, nomor 10 dia.
Me, miss.
Yes.
She always tries to do the best and most efficient job that she can do. The answer is correct.
Yeah, correct ya. Okay, very easy. Next skill we are going to learn about kok sama ya, use comparative and superlative correctly lagi. Kalau tadi kan form, bentuk formnya, terus ini penggunaannya sama aja ya sebenarnya. Nah, ini yang ada di kotak penjelasannya, the comparative is used to compare two equal things. Nah, tadi yang seperti yang sudah dijelaskan ya. Kalau komparatif membandingkan dua hal yang tipenya sama atau jenisnya sama. Superlative is used to show which one of many is in some way the most outstanding. Nah, yang paling superlatif sama sih kayak tadi di awal ya. Oke, kita bedah dulu nomor 1. Kenapa incorrect? Karena adjektifnya apa? Hard working. How many syllables? 3. When you see 3 syllables, you put the most, bukan more. Berarti Ronda is the most hard working. Is the most hard working. Bukan pakai more ya. Oke, number 3 tadi terakhir dia. Resti number 3.
The engineers hired this year have more experience than those hired last year. It's correct.
Okay, correct. And then next, number 4. Rani.
The graduate assistant informed us that the first exam is the most difficult of this semester. Correct, Miss.
Hmm. The graduate assistant informed us that the first exam is, kan ada kata of, berarti ini harusnya itu more. Of ini kan berarti maksudnya di sini kan the graduate assistant menginformasikan kita bahwa ujian yang pertama itu lebih sulit dibandingkan ujian kedua. Gitu maksudnya. Cuman ini mengecokkan kita di kalimat ini, Rani. The most difficult of-nya itu mengecokkan. Seharusnya the graduate assistant from us, the first exam is more difficult than the two. Gitu ya. Bukan the most difficult of. Kita tulis aja yang benar. Is more, oh, no capital. Is more difficult than the two. Okay, number 5, back to dia.
Yes, Miss. Um, he bought the more powerful he bought the more powerful stereo speakers than he could find. The answer is correct. More powerful speakers than he could find.
Kalau more
That
power,
he could.
kalau more powerful betul harus ada pembandingnya dong. Ada.
Oh yeah. My answer is incorrect because I think the that is then like
Iya,
salah
karena
lihat Miss.
satu-satunya. Iya, berarti harusnya he bought the
Dan
most. He bought the most powerful stereo speakers that he could find.
Fine.
Oke, mau next skill atau dilanjut? Manut Miss Wilis. Menurut Miss Wilis ini gampang. Tapi terserah kalian, kelas C. Lanjut lagi atau next skill?
Lanjut dulu, Miss.
Lanjut dulu, oke. Number 6 after dia berarti Resti ya.
The afternoon seminar was much more interesting than the morning lecture. It's correct.
Correct. Ya. Comparisonnya jelas ya. Interesting, lebih dari 2 suku kata. Terus pasangannya then, betul. Number 7, Rani.
The food in this restaurant is the best of the restaurant we visited last week. Incorrect.
It should be.
The most of the restaurant.
Putus-putus, Ran.
The is the most.
Can you turn on your audio? Ini yang nge-lag Miss Wilis atau Rani?
Rani Miss.
Oke. Let's wait for Rani.
Yes Miss.
Miss Wilis pengalaman last Saturday di lantai 2 nggak ada sinyal, ini langsung ke basementnya, jadi ada sinyalnya. Kalau hari Sabtu di kantor online-nya, kalau kemarin di kos ya karena malam-malam. Are you there, Rani? Halo Rani. Rani, can you hear my voice? Oke, kita tunggu Rani ya, karena Rani yang minta lanjut, takutnya kalau next skill nanti ini tambah bingung. Halo
Masuk
Ran?
suara saya.
Ya, udah kedengaran. Let's try again.
Incorrect, Miss.
Kenapa incorrect?
Harusnya is the best of all the restaurant.
Diganti apa? The best of the
Salah ya, Miss?
restaurant? The best of the restaurantnya salah, terus diganti apa? Ini kan membandingkan.
Boleh.
Ya Ran, ini membandingkan. The food in this restaurant is bla 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 bla, the restaurant we visited last week. Berarti kan ada dua restoran membandingkan. Kalau membandingkan dua hal jenis yang sama, kita menggunakan komparatif, bukan superlatif. Jadi harusnya the food in this restaurant is better than. Ya, ini namanya irregular adjective, jadi harus dihafalkan tidak pakai er ataupun more. Tadi malam sudah dicatat ya. The food in this restaurant is better. It's better than the food in. Nah, dilanjut bawahnya. The food in the restaurant we visited last week. Yang ini salah. Oke, cukup nggak skill ini? Atau masih mau di sini, teman-teman?
Maybe we finish the question, Miss.
Oh, sampai 10.
Yes.
Oke, number 8, Dea.
The plants that have been sitting in the sunny window are far healthier than the other plants. The answer is correct.
Ya, correct. Subjeknya the plants. Jadi pakainya are. Karena are healthy, belakangnya y, dua suku kata. Berarti pakainya are. Terus ada than-nya, betul ya. Number 9, please, Resti.
The photocopies are the darkest that they have ever been. It's correct.
Correct, karena tidak ada pembanding dengan hal yang lain, berarti superlatif. Yang paling ya. The last one, please, Rani.
The first journal article is the longest of the second article. Incorrect, Miss.
It should be.
The first journal article is more the longer of the second journal article. Second article.
Ayo, more sama longer sama IR nggak boleh digabung. Berarti pakai salah satu rumus saja. The first journal article is longer than the second article. Gitu, Rani. is article longer than second article. Wait, my battery is low. Saya cari tempat yang bisa buat nyatir ya. Bentar ya. Kalau di workstation Miss Phyllis ada, tapi ini mukanya jadi gelap karena lightingnya tidak bagus. Sebentar. Ini di workstationnya Miss Phyllis, nggak apa-apa ya. Jadi abu-abu. Okay, move to the next skill. Use the irregular ER structure correctly. Nah, ini yang ada perubahan ya. Kayak kemarin good berarti jadi better, the best. Terus worst, the worst ya. Worst, bad, worst jadi the worst. Terus apa lagi kemarin? Kita lihat di grup. Di grup B kemarin di foto, kalau grup C kan tak recording ya, jadi nggak di foto. Kalau mau di foto buat pribadi nggak apa-apa. Sebentar. Little, less, much or many jadi more, far, farther, further, late, later, all, older. Jadi tinggal ditambah aja. The furthest, the hardest, the oldest ya. Okay, let's see the box. The ER structure. The are or more same structure. The are more same structure. This type of sentence may or may not include a verb. Kalimat ini itu kalimat TP ini adalah boleh atau tidak boleh include a verb. Ya, kita lanjut ke sini aja. Nomor 1. Halaman berapa ini? Betul ya, 29. 29. Lalu penuh info. Oke, exercise 29. The hotter the food is, harder is it to eat. Kenapa incorrect? Karena yang depan ada the-nya, yang belakang enggak. Harusnya the hotter the food is, the harder it is to eat. Ada the-nya. Oke, lanjut. Tadi sampai mana? Terakhir yang ngerjain soal siapa? Rani, Resti, atau Dea?
Rani, I guess.
Rani.
Rani terakhir. Oke, back to Dea berarti.
Hmm.
Number 3.
The more you say, the worse the situation will be. The answer is correct.
More itu apa?
Oh, comparative.
Komparatif. Berarti
Comparative.
bukan the worst, tapi bentuk komparatifnya dari bad. Worse.
Worse.
Worse aja. Worse
Oh ya.
artinya udah lebih buruk. Nah, ini dicoret ya. Coretan yang tidak indah sekali. Okay, the answer is incorrect. Number 4, Resti.
The more time they have to play, the happier the children are. It's correct.
Number 4, correct. Number 5, Rani.
Ketika
What is your answer?
incorrect, Miss.
Number 5,
Harusnya
incorrect. It should be
the noise that the less noise.
gimana, Rani? Tidak ada suaranya?
The less noise that comes.
Harusnya the less noise ya. The less the noise karena ini the thicker the balls. Tulis ya di sini. The less the noise comes through. Berarti ini yang less di sini dihapus. The less, the noise come through. Nggak perlu pakai that. Incorrect. Mau lagi atau next skill?
Next exercise, Miss.
Ini. Nomor 6 maksudnya.
Yes.
Oke, number 6 dia.
If you run faster, the earlier you will arrive. The answer is correct.
Correct. Yakin?
If you run faster, the earlier you will. Yes.
Kalau secara komparatifnya benar ya. Tapi kalau secara meaning, jika kamu berlari lebih cepat, lebih mudahlah kamu akan tiba. Kalau disetarakan jadinya gini. The faster you run, the earlier you will arrive. Lebih tepat yang begini. Ini juga benar secara ini, tapi karena ini TOEFL jadi kita harus menyetarakan juga the faster you run, the earlier you will arrive. Ya. Oke. Incorrect. Okay, Rani number 7. Rasti number 7.
The more you use the phone, the higher the bill will be. It's correct.
Correct. Rasti dileleh correct terus ya.
Yes, Miss.
Ini the more, betul. Ini the higher, betul. Number 8, Rani.
The harder you set, the easier it is to correct.
Correct. Next skill ya. Next skills ada di halaman, ini kerjakan sendiri yang kelewat-kelewat. Nanti tinggal dicocokkan aja. Skill 30. After have, use the past participle. Gampang ya. Past participle itu verb 3. Kalau present participle verb ing. Oke. Miss Willis izin ke toilet dulu. Kalian dilanjut dulu ya. Dikerjakan nomor 3 sampai 10. Nanti kalau sudah Miss Willis on kan ini audio sama videonya ini tak off kan dulu. Ini mau tak apa namanya? Nggak usah tak stop share berarti ya, biar kalian baca atau mau di buku kalian sendiri. Oke, dikerjakan dulu. Oke, let's continue. Sampai nomor berapa? Yang tadi terakhir jawab siapa? Terakhir jawab Rani ya?
Rani.
Oke, dia number 3.
Having finished the term paper, he began studying for the exam. The answer is incorrect.
Kenapa incorrect?
Before began, I guess we need to put have or has.
Rumusnya have diikuti past participle.
Past participle.
Having finished the term paper, he began studying for the exam. Begin verb berapa?
Began. Began. Verb 3.
Ya,
Past
berarti
participle.
setara, correct dia.
Oh,
Nomor 3
correct.
correct, ya. Dan tak tulis dulu correct. Number 4, Resti.
The secretary has broke her typewriter. It's incorrect.
It should be
Has broken.
has broken. Has broken. Rani number 5.
The installer should have completed the task more quickly. Incorrect.
It should be
Should have completed.
ya, completed bukan complete. Completed. Completed. Back to dia number 6.
He has often become angry during meetings. The answer is correct.
Okay, number 6 correct. Good. Number 7, Resti.
She has rarely rode her horse in the park. It's incorrect. It should be she has rarely ridden her
Yeah.
horse.
Bentuk ketiganya right, ridden. Ya. Number 8, Rani.
Having saw the film, he was quite disappointed. Incorrect, Miss. Harusnya having seen.
Having seen. Gampang ya, next skill ya. Oke, skill 31. After being, use the present participle or past participle. Present participle kemarin apa di first session kalau nggak salah. Di second, sorry. Past present participle is verb ing. Past participle verb 3. Di rumusnya. Bisa diikuti present participle atau past participle. Oke, kita bedah nomor 31. Skill 31, sorry. At 12, Sam is his lunch. Kenapa incorrect? Harusnya
Eating.
iya, eating. Oke, number 3 dia.
The message was took by the receptionist. The answer is correct. No. Taken. Incorrect.
It should be
Taken.
taken. Ini passive voice ya. Passive voice atau be diikuti past participle. Taken. Correct. Oke, number 4, Resti.
Being heard was extremely important to him. It's correct.
Correct. Yes. Number 5, Rani. Kok. Correct.
The Smiths are built their house on some property that they own in the desert. Incorrect, Miss.
It
Are
should
building
be
house.
harusnya apa?
Are building.
Building ya, are building. Oke, incorrect. Mau lanjut ini atau next skill? Mau lanjut satu kloter lagi? Atau next skill?
Maybe next, Miss.
Next
Next,
skill.
Miss.
Next skill. Atau next number?
Next skill.
Next
Next
skill.
skill.
Oke. Skill 32. After will, would, or other modal verb selalu diikuti apa? Verb one. Gunakan the best form. The best form itu verb one. Jadi bukan will living, tapi will live. Ini sudah pernah dijelaskan ya. Oke, ini lebih gampang dari tadi. Kita bedah. Nomor 2, kenapa incorrect? Harusnya finish. Bukan finishes, karena diikuti verb one. Finish. Oke, number 3, dia.
Should everyone arrive by 8? The answer is correct.
Yes, correct. Number 4, Asti.
The method for organizing files can be improved. It's correct.
Correct. Number 5, Rani.
The machine might clicks of it. The machine might clicks off if it is over push. Incorrect, Miss. Might harusnya might click without S.
Harusnya
Click without S.
with S. Without S. Maksudnya
Ya.
without S. Miss Willis di sini dengannya without. Makanya bingung, hah? Ternyata without ya. Klik without S. Oke. Mau next skill atau dihabiskan?
Next skill aja.
Next skills aja ya. Ini gampang nih. Skill
Kita
3.
ngebut banget, Miss.
Gak apa-apa dong.
Ngebut
Kan
dari kelas ini.
iya, paling nomor 1 ya. Gak apa-apa. Soalnya nanti structure aja kita 60 kilo. Sedangkan structure kurang berapa sesi? 2 sesi lagi. Dia harus kebetulan. Nanti kan lanjut ke reading.
Yes, Miss.
Oke, skill 3 ya. Tapi nanti yang tadi sisa-sisa dikerjakan sendiri ya. Nanti pas saatnya pembahasan visualisasi answer key-nya. Oke, terus skill 33. Know when to use. Mengetahui ketika menggunakan, kapan menggunakan past tense, kapan menggunakan present tense. Pas itu identik dengan verb 2, auxiliary verbnya dibantu dengan did. Did untuk semua subjek. Kalau negatif tinggal ditambah not. Kalau ada did-nya berarti verbnya berubah jadi verb 1 itu past tense. Kalau present bentuk positifnya verbnya ditambah s atau is kalau singular subjek. Kalau enggak tidak Tidak perlu ditambah S. Auxiliary verbnya apa? Do sama does. Kalau does untuk singular subject, kalau do untuk plural subject gitu ya. Ya lanjut aja ke bedah soal 3-3. Exercise 3-3 kenapa incorrect? I tell him the truth when he asks me the question.
Harusnya told. Maybe it should be past with past, Miss. I told him the truth when he asked me the question.
Yeah, I
Or
thought.
Hmm.
Yeah, I thought. Okay. Number 3. Dia.
when he was a child, he always goes to the circus. Um, the answer is correct, I guess. Was a child.
When he was a
Was
child, he always goes to the...
circus.
Bener nggak?
Hmm.
Atau ada jawaban lain? Bener nggak? Itu kan yang pertama
Oh,
past tense, yang kedua present.
yeah, right. Correct, Miss.
Harusnya?
Wait, Miss. I want to see the sentence.
Iya.
Maybe always goes. We change to be were gone, I guess.
Kalau past tense bentuk kedua.
Yeah, he went going.
Go bentuk keduanya apa? When.
When
Ya, berarti
he went to the circus.
mm-mm. Itu bisa. Kita tampilkan dulu.
The share screen is lost, Miss.
Wait. Jadi, goes-nya should be when ya. When he was a child, he always... Nah, kursornya Mercedes, dia ada bisa. He always went to the circus. Incorrect. Ini tensesnya apa? Past tense. Number 4, Resti.
Yes, miss. Last semester, he read 7 books and wrote 5 papers. It's incorrect. It should be last semester he read 7 books.
What is the tenses?
Past
Yeah,
time. Yeah, past
past tense.
tense.
Last semester he read. Jadi kalau kalian ketemu last, ago, ya, yesterday, itu sudah pasti bentuk lampau. Jadi positifnya verb 2 ya dirubah jadi verb 2. Kebetulan read itu verb 2, verb 3-nya tulisannya sama, tapi cara bacanya beda. Read. Oke. Dan number ini ya, tadi incorrect ya. Number 5, please Rani.
Steve wake up early every morning because he went to work early. Incorrect, Miss.
It should be
Goes.
Karena kalimat present. Wake up early every morning because he goes to work Early. Incorrect. You want to move to the next skills or complete the next number?
Complete, please, Miss.
Complete, okay. Reski Noviana baru gabung. Ini gabung di Miss Udis tapi nggak ada orangnya. Udah mau selesai
Rizky
kita ya.
Noviana.
Reski
I
Noviana kan
think not our class, Miss. Yeah.
iya. Rizky Noviana itu kelas A, cuman nanti mulai minggu depan gabung kelas C karena katanya KKN-nya di Klaten. Tapi per 1 Desember harusnya. Tapi mungkin hari ini ingin ikut ya. Gak apa-apa. Tapi ini kita tinggal berapa menit ini? 30 menit ya. Harusnya dari tadi. Tapi ini juga belum join-join. Oke, nggak apa-apa nanti kalau
Siapa,
join.
Miss?
Novi.
Hmm.
Novi bakal join di kelas kita per 1 Desember. Karena katanya KKN-nya ditempatkan di Klaten. Jadi tidak bisa mengikuti kelas offline. Begitu teman-teman. Oke, lanjut. Tapi penerjunannya 1 Desember. Jadi ini masih ikut kelas A. Tadi kalian mintanya next skills atau next number?
Next number.
Next number. Oke, terakhir Rani berarti dia number 6.
Mark studied at the American University when he is in the Washington. The answer is incorrect because the first sentence is past tense.
Mhm.
So the second sentence we need to replace
It should be.
is become was.
Iya. Change is become was. Number 7. Pasti.
He is telling the teacher why he did not have time to finish his homework. I think it's correct when the first sentence is happening right now.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think
And
it's,
for the
and then the reason because it
Mhm.
is in the past, so
Mhm.
that's why it uses past tense.
Yes, correct. Rani, number 8.
He put some money in this account when he goes to the bank. Incorrect, Miss.
It should be?
The second sentence should be replaced with when.
Iya, when. Karena tensesnya pas ya. Oke, next skill ya. Sisanya dikerjakan sendiri. Skill 24. Penggunaan have dan had dengan benar. Oke, Novi di-assign ke sini nggak tahu ya yang assign misalnya atau bukan, tapi dia nggak klik join, jadi nggak masuk di room kita ya. Cuman diambang-ambang di tengah-tengah gitu. Oke, penggunaan have dan had dengan benar. Nah, ini kalau present perfect have diikuti past participle atau
Past
diikuti verb
participle.
3. Kalau past perfect had diikuti verb 3. Meaningnya gimana? Kalau kalau present perfect terjadi di masa lalu sampai sekarang masih terjadi. Penggunaannya tidak dengan past tense. Karena kalau past tense kan udah ibaratnya tuh move on gitu ya. Sekarang nggak terjadi lagi. Kalau had past participle itu sebelum masa lalu ke masa lalu. Meaningnya. Kalau ini tidak dengan present tense karena sudah tidak terjadi lagi kalau past perfect. Meaningnya begitu. Bisa dipahami ya. Ada pertanyaan before we continue? When there is no questions, let's see number 2. Kita ini ya. Gimana,
Miss,
Rani?
boleh diulang nggak Miss penjelasannya?
Oke, kalau present perfect itu have diikuti verb 3. Meaningnya yang menggunakan present participle itu aktivitas masa lalu dan sekarang masih dilakukan. Sampai saat ini masih dilakukan. Itu namanya present perfect. Jadi penggunaannya tidak dengan past tense karena past tense sudah terjadi di masa lalu aja, sekarang udah enggak gitu, Rani. Kalau past perfect itu meaningnya sebelum masa lalu sampai ke masa lalu. Jadi sekarang udah enggak. Jadi makanya enggak pakai present tense. Bisa dipahami?
Bisa Miss.
Bisa. Oke, number 2. Kenapa salah? Harusnya has.
Harusnya
Ya.
reject is reject. Rejected, not reject. Reject, not rejected.
Enggak dong, rejectednya benar. Harusnya has.
Oh iya,
Harusnya
the
has. Kan ini
proposal has been.
diikutinya present. Kalau diikutinya present berarti depannya present
Has.
perfect. Gitu.
Hmm.
Bisa dipahami ya. Because her proposal has been rejected, she is depressed. Oke, number 3 dia.
The students have registers for class before the semester started. The answer is wait, Miss.
Lihat tenses yang kedua.
The second sentence is past.
Kalau belakangnya pas berarti depannya pas
Past perfect.
Iya. Pas perfect itu benar atau salah?
So had
Polanya.
register ya.
Good. Berarti ini incorrect.
Correct.
Incorrect. It should be had registered. Okay, number 4, Resti.
When she had purchased the car, she contacted the insurance agent. It's correct.
Is it correct? Yes, correct. Number 5, Rani.
He said that he had finished the typing when you finished the reports.
It should be?
Incorrect, Miss.
It should be?
Should be finished with AD.
Yang belakangnya ya. He said that he had finished the typing when you finished. Finishnya harusnya had finished juga. Had finished the report. Dia mengatakan bahwa dia telah menyelesaikan ketikannya ketika kamu telah menyelesaikan laporannya. Gitu. Cara meaning past perfect, meaningnya cocoknya lebih ke past perfect ya. Had finished. Oke. Mau lanjut atau next skills? Masih ada 20 menit. Next skills? Atau lanjut ini satu kali lagi?
Maybe satu kali lagi, Miss.
Oke, dia number 6.
She has enjoyed herself every time that she has gone to the zoo. The answer is correct.
Yeah, correct. Number 7, Rasti.
He drove to the post office after he had finished preparing the package. It's correct.
Yes. The last one, Rani.
After the votes were counted, it had been determined that Steve was the winner. I think incorrect, Miss.
It should be
It
had been-nya diganti was. Terus was-nya diganti had been. Secara meaning, coba di ini. After polling-nya dihitung, itu ditentukan bahwa Steve telah menang, gitu ya. Oke, next skill ya berarti ya. 35, use the correct tense with time expression. Correct tense di sini berarti grammarnya, tensesnya acak ya. Yang penting kalimat yang benar. Ini contoh we move past tense, had left past perfect, have lived apa present perfect. Nah, fokusnya ke sininya dengan time expression. Bisa pakai in, bisa pakai by, bisa pakai since. Kita lihat di kotak aja. Untuk time expression bisa pakai apa aja? Bisa pakai kalau past perfect menggunakannya by. Kalau simple past kalian bisa menandai dengan kata ago, last atau in. Itu berarti tensesnya simple past tense. Kalau by past perfect ingat-ingat. Present perfect itu bisa ditandai dengan since juga sejak. Oke, lanjut ke 35. Kenapa incorrect? Have should be had.
They have Miss.
Karena yesterday. Ya, should be had. Number 3 dia.
The pilgrims have arrived in the New World in 1622.
Mhm. What is
The
your answer?
answer is correct.
Harusnya? Correct kamu
Correct.
jawabannya tadi.
Correct.
Coba lihat. In itu apa in?
In the new
In simple past
simple
tense.
past. Oh,
Berarti tense-nya have-nya
have
dihilangkan ya. Iya. Enggak dong, arrive aja.
arrive aja.
Kan verb 2 aja.
In simple past.
Iya. Oke. The pilgrims arrived in the New World in 1920. Oke, incorrect. Number 4, Resti.
Since the new law was passed, it has been difficult to estimate taxes. It's correct.
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 Number 5, please, Rani.
The cashier put the money into the account 2 hours ago. Correct, Miss.
Correct. Satu lagi ya, dia number 6.
All the votes have been counted last week. The answer is incorrect.
Karena ada kata last week. Last week berarti
Last week
past tense.
counts.
Iya,
Ya,
counted. Counted aja.
ya counted.
Have-nya
Unit
dihapus. Number. Ayo bentar. Ini kan kalimat pasif ya. Berarti have were counted. Polling kan dihitung, bukan menghitung. Jadi pasif. Ya. Were counted. Tetap past tense sih tensesnya. Oke, number 7, Resti.
The students are writing many compositions lately. It's incorrect.
It should be
The students have been writing many
have been
compositions
writing. Karena ada kata apa? Lately.
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 Ya, ada kata lately jadinya have been writing. Tinggal yang di kotak-kotak aja dihafalin ya, speaking test. Oke, number 8, Rani.
The Senate votes on the law to ban cigarette smoking in public in 1990. Incorrectness. Harusnya voted.
Iya, harusnya voted. Karena ada kata in ya, jadi yang ditanyakan past tense. Ada kata in, harusnya vote. Oke, skill 36. Penggunaan tenses will dan would dengan benar. Ini sama kayak modal verb ya, will sama would itu diikuti verb one dua-duanya. Kita lihat kotaknya. Kalau will itu after the present, meaningnya ya, secara meaningnya. Kalau would after the past. Will diikuti present tense. Kalau would diikuti past tense gitu ya. Number 1. Kita bedah. 36. Nomor 1 kenapa salah? Hinu. Hinu itu past tense apa? Past tense. Past tense apa? Past tense ya.
Ya, past tense.
Iya, karena past tense berarti pakainya would, bukan will. He knew that he would be at home.
Hmm.
Number 3, dia
Paul did not say when he will finish the project. The answer is incorrect. It should be would because the sentence is past.
ya, good job dia. Paul did not say when he would. Oke, number 4, Resti.
Jake doubts that he would have time to finish the project. Is incorrect. It should be Jake doubts that he will have time to finish the project.
Will ya, present. Number 5, Rani.
I know that I will go if I can afford it. Correct, Miss.
Gampang sekali skill ini, next skill aja ya.
Yes, Miss.
Oke. Yang sisanya dikerjakan sendiri. Skill 36. Kok ini 37? Emang tadi 36 ya? Udah ya? Oh iya, tadi 36 ternyata. Cepat sekali. Kelas B kita kemarin baru sampai 23. Berarti kita ngelewatin 7 tambah 6. Ini malah 37 ya. 7 tambah 7, 14 skill. Nggak apa-apa. Malah kayaknya yang paling paling tepat kelasnya kita. Soalnya 2 meeting lagi harus udah pindah ke reading ya. Jadi 2 meeting lagi harus sudah sampai 60 skill kita di structure-nya. Oke, skill 37. Belum tentu yang mulainya duluan lebih cepat selesai ya. Ini buktinya kelas C malah udah 37. Kelas A juga baru sampai 23 kayaknya 24 23 lah sama. Menggunakan bentuk pasif dengan benar. Nah, gampang ya, to be diikuti verb 3 ini. Terus diikuti by, terus terakhirnya complement atau objek. Oke, nomor 1, kenapa incorrect? Harusnya been, bukan be ya. The boy had never been. Oke, number 3 dia.
Money is lending by the credit union to those who want to buy homes. The answer is incorrect because I think lending is not past participle.
It should be lend, ya.
Lend.
Ya. Bentuk ketiganya lend itu lend pakai T. Oke, number 4, Resti.
The record had been chosen by dancer near the jukebox. It's incorrect. It should be chosen. Had been
Mhm.
chosen.
Yes, good. Very, very easy, I guess, for this skill. Incorrect. Number 5, Rani.
The topic for your research paper should have been approved by your advisor. Correct,
Mhm.
Miss.
Iya, correct. Gampang ya, ini next skill aja ya. Passive voice gampang. Next skill, recognize active and passive meaning. Ya, sama aja. Mengenali pasif dan aktif. Kalau pasif, tergantung tensesnya ya. Sudah paham ya, present gimana, past tense gimana, perfect gimana, future gimana. Nanti tinggal diikuti aja subjek, misalnya verbnya ditambah S, atau verb 2, atau verb 3, gitu. Dan maknanya itu melakukan, kalau si aktif, kalau pasif itu di. Gitu aja sih bedanya. Oke, nah ini yang dikotakan bedanya aktif sama pasif sama seperti yang sudah jelaskan tadi. Kalau aktif, subjeknya itu pelaku, ya. Kalau kalau pasif, sorry, subjeknya itu menerima action dari si verbnya atau objeknya yang dijadikan subjek itu pasif. Oke, lanjut saja ke bedah soal biar nggak bingung. Nomor 1 itu harusnya was park karena pasif. Mobil diparkirkan kan, bukan memarkir. Ya, jadi pakainya pasif. Was park. Bentar. Oke, kita habiskan di sini ya karena ada 8 menit terakhir aja. Number 3 dia.
Everything to organize the picnic has already done.
Mhm.
The answer is correct.
Yes. Bentar.
Has already done.
The picnic. Pasif atau aktif?
Pasif.
Pasif. Berarti kita butuh be.
Been.
Be,
Yeah.
iya, been. Betul sekali.
Has already. Has been
Mm-mm.
done.
Berarti has already been done.
Been done.
Mm-mm. Oke, number 4, Resti.
The police investigated him because of his unusual actions. It's correct.
Correct. Tuh, ya kan bagian Resti kebanyakan correct. Gak ada reasonnya. Yang bagian dia sama Rani pasti ada reasonnya. Oke, number 5, Rani.
The package containing the necessary samples has just sent. Incorrect, Miss.
It should be.
Has just been sent.
Iya, just been sent. Pasif ya.
Yeah.
Number 6. Kita habiskan di sini ya, 6 menit ya. Sampai 10 deh.
Yes, Miss.
Oke.
The vacations.
Dia.
The vacations to Europe will plan carefully before the scheduled departure date. The answer is incorrect.
It should be.
Will be planned.
Ya, will be planned. Karena pasif. Gampang ya, very easy. will be
Yes.
planned. Plan. Gimana tulisannya plan? Double final consonant-nya. Oke, number 7, Resti.
The coffee turned bitter when it left on the stove for so long. It's incorrect.
It should
It
be,
should be, it was left.
yeah, was left. Number 8, Rani.
The soccer game won in the closing minutes.
You answer?
I think incorrect, Miss.
It should be,
Was won
yeah, was
in
one. Good. Dea, number 9.
The clothes made to rival the latest fashions of the seasons. The answer is incorrect.
It should
This
be,
it should be used.
ininya
Okay.
error ya. Di kalian
Yes.
tak tertampil nggak?
Yeah,
Error,
error,
Miss.
Miss.
Tapi masih dengar suaranya Miss Willis?
Yes. We still hear your voice.
Oke, bukunya nggak bagus guys. Tak stop share ya. Di stop
Yes,
share
Miss.
ternyata kursornya Miss Willis juga masih muter. Jadi cuma dengar suaranya Miss Willis nggak apa-apa.
Yes.
Oke, berarti jawabannya apa?
Incorrect, Miss.
Incorrect. It should be
Passive voice.
passive voice. Iya, berarti jawabannya apa?
Was.
Tadi nomor berapa ya, Dia? Nomor 9 ya?
Yes.
Were dong, were made.
Were.
Mm-mm. Terus terakhir yuk, Resti.
When the roads are icy, the buses do not drive. It's correct.
Masa correct? Itu pasif loh. Bukan pasif. Coba bentar. Tak buka buku, soalnya ini PDF-nya nggak bisa kebuka. Di buku halaman berapa?
278.
178. When the roads are icy, the buses don't drive. Correct sentence-nya are not driven. Pasif. When the roads are icy, the buses are not driven. Oke, itu aja. Ini motonya gimana ya? Kursornya Mas Willis ini. Coba tak ini ya, tak shutdown dulu ya. Nanti kalian tetap stay di Zoom aja. Masih mendengarkan suara Mas Willis kan ya?
Yes, Miss.
Oke, wait.